Big shout out to Tommy V in Michigan. He was on fire this morning.
Okay, thank you, Tommy V in Michigan. Yes, sir. If you share my prayers.
Tommy V's on. Yeah, we'll jump over there. How about that?
Can you see us, Your Honor?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you. This is Mr. Padilla.
All right. Now calling report number 24-13420, the People versus Vaa Elizabeth Prala. This is the date and time set for arraignment. Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Judge. Richard Glenn from Ms. Prala. Waive the reading of the complaint, warrant, and stand mute.
All right, the court will wait for more reading and enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Ms. Prala. Ma'am, I did receive the request for court-appointed attorney form that you filled out and submitted. My only question is approximately how much do you make per month?
I don't know. It depends. I'm a dancer, so.
All right. Could you give me an estimate of how much you would say you make per week? Just take it like over the course of the last 2 months.
If I'm actually working, I mean, per week, probably like 500.
What? 500, 5,000?
5,000.
All right. Well, based on your income, you make too much money to be given court-appointed counsel, so you're going to have to retain an attorney moving forward. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Counsel, as it relates to bond, what would you say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I would indicate that she is employed. She has no record. We're asking for a personal bond. This is a misdemeanor. Thank you.
All right. And Detective, anything else you'd like to state regarding bond?
Thank you, Your Honor. I just bring it to the court's attention that Ms. Vada's conduct led several folks to be quite alarmed. I believe that alcohol was a great contributing factor to this matter. As far as conditions go, I would ask for alcohol testing and perhaps a condition that she is not allowed to enter our alcohol establishments here within the city of Royal Oak.
I work in the city.
Judge, did I hear her say she works in the city?
Yeah, I work for the nightclubs out here.
Where do you work, ma'am?
I'm a promoter at 00, and I'm about to start bottle girling literally on Thursday.
All right. I will note that I did just conduct a swear-to in this matter a few moments ago. It does not appear that Ms. Prala has any significant criminal history or prior failure to appear history, but the court was certainly troubled by the allegations that I heard during the swear-to and just the facts of this matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order bond in the amount of $15,000 personal recognizance. Ms. Prala, that means you do not have to post any money and you will be released today, but know that if you fail to abide by any of your bond conditions, that bond can be forfeited and you may owe $15,000 to the court. You understand that?
Okay. Yes.
All right. Your other bond conditions include the following. Obviously, you say that you do work in the city of Royal Oak. I do not want to hinder your ability to maintain employment. but I'm going to order that you are not to enter any drinking establishment in the city of Royal Oak unless you are there on business. Okay, so there's no personal night outs at Fifth Ave or O'Toole's. If you're at any of the establishments for purposes of your employment, that is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will personally appear for any and all future court proceedings. You will not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You will immediately notify the court in writing of any change to your address or telephone number. You shall refrain from using any alcohol, any form of THC, marijuana, illegal drugs, or abusing any legally prescribed medication. You will submit to random testing, which will include 1 ETG per week, as well as 1 controlled substance urinalysis test per month. Lastly, no new criminal offenses or activity. So, Ms. Prala, do you understand the terms and conditions of your bond?
Yes, however, I wanted to ask, I am a medical patient, like actually through my doctor, not just like from one of those little, sign off or whatever. I have chronic PTSD and anxiety and physical problems that we use to treat.
Okay. Obviously, I ordered no marijuana use. With that, your first test is going to be positive. Is that right?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. So with that said, what you're going to have to do is go in front of the judge, whichever judge this case gets assigned to in the 44th District Court, and address the use of medical marijuana with them. I'm obviously saying that you shouldn't use it right now, and you are going to be tested for it. But ultimately, that's going to be up to either Judge Kolakowski or Judge Meineke.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I don't have your next court date in front of me, so I'd recommend sometime on Monday or Tuesday, you need to call the 44th District Court and find out when your next court date is.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Prala, that's all for today. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
We just gotta grab the other 2 males out. It'll just be just a moment, Your Honor.
No problem. Take your time. Thank you. Now calling report number 24-13314, the People versus Ventrez, Quandis Knight. What's the date and time set for arraignment? Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Judge Richard tonight. Where the plaintiff wanted to stand mute.
We'll waive formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Knight. Mr. Knight, I did receive the request for court-appointed attorney form that you filled out and submitted. Based on your representations, I do find that you are indigent, so I will appoint an attorney for you moving forward, okay?
Yeah, what's indigent mean?
Means you qualify for court-appointed counsel because you do not make enough money.
Oh, okay.
Counsel, as it relates to bond, what would you like to state on behalf of your client?
Judge, this is a misdemeanor offense. Mr. Knight indicated he is employed. He has no record. We're asking for a personal bond in this case, Judge.
All right, thank you, counsel. Detective, anything you'd like to state regarding bond?
And this is in reference to Mr. Quandis.
Yeah.
This is Ventress.
Oh,
Ventress. I would show, Your Honor, that Mr. Ventress does have several convictions, including domestic violence, trespassing, misdemeanor R&O. The list kind of goes on. While this is a misdemeanor case, Your Honor, he does have a history of failing to appear. I
would like to speak on that.
Mr. Knight,
Okay.
Mr. Knight,
Yeah.
hold on.
Yeah.
This is a court hearing. You cannot just freely speak. I'll give you an opportunity to talk, but Detective, go ahead. Please finish what you were saying.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bring it to the court's attention that he currently does have a warrant for failing to appear out of Rochester for a retail fraud charge. I would ask for a cash bond in this matter to ensure his appearance at the.
Okay, I would like to speak on that now. Now, what he said that charge actually go to court on
Hold
that
on,
on the 28th.
hold on, Mr. Knight, hold on.
This nigga just talking, bro.
All right, Mr. Knight. Again, this is a court hearing. You don't get to just freely speak and you don't get to dictate when you talk. Detective, when was the bench warrant out of the 52-3 entered?
I can find that out for you momentarily, Your Honor.
Can I say something?
You'll be able to speak in a minute. Just hold on.
You get charged for that shit too. You got to calm down. You got to wait for the judge. He's dying. You go ask you. You got anything else to say?
Okay, man. What the fuck are you talking?
You just got to calm down.
The date of that warrant is December the 6th of 23, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, I do see the prior domestic violence and let's see, that was out of the 41A district court. Prior trespassing out of the 40th district court. Looks like that was entered in June of 22.
Works on camera this night.
Bro, the camera, bro.
And I do see the other, I do see the other cases that were dismissed. Mr. Knight, are you
Yo.
currently on probation out of the 41B district court?
I don't even know.
Looks like you were sentenced to 24 months of probation back on August 7th of 2023. So,
Mr. Knight, Mr. Knight, come back to the camera and focus up there.
Mr. Knight.
Thank you.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, buddy. I'm about to crash.
based on the prior criminal convictions, the prior failure to appear history, and the fact that this matter allegedly occurred while Mr. Knight was on bond, I do not think that a personal bond is warranted.
No, can I say something though? Like, you know, I'm gonna put the time. Supposed to be
Mr.
going to
Knight.
court.
Okay, Mr. Knight, you were supposed to go to court? What do you mean?
I'm going to court. I got court papers in my bag and my property right now. Said I go to court for that warrant you talking about on the 28th. So I go to court for it. If I'm out, I go Zoom visit. So I'm not running from all that. Yeah, that's cool. I got the warrant, but I go to court for that warrant on the 28th. I got papers in my bag on my property for it. So that's out of the question of why if I made her so I can go to the court. That's out the question. I'm already going to court for that. I already got the court date set up, and then my papers in my bag so you can see the proof of that and all that. So I don't have to be in here for this little misdemeanor to make sure I go to court, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to court for that and this misdemeanor. And all the charges I got is nothing in your county at all. I don't cause you trouble in your county. I haven't been in trouble or got.
All right, hold on, Mr. Knight. Mr. Knight, stop, Mr. Knight, stop, hold on. Everything you say right now is being recorded. So anything that you say can be used against you later. So I would warn you, you should not
All right, that's all I want to say.
about
That's all I
this
want to
case
say.
at all. Mr. Knight,
All right,
okay,
that's all I
here's what
want
I'm gonna do. Because Mr. Knight was on probation when this matter allegedly occurred, I do not think that a personal bond is warranted. I'm gonna order bond in the amount of $7,500, cash or surety.
I see.
We been doing shit, bro. All that monkey ass shit.
I'm also ordering Mr. Knight, stop talking.
Stop talking to me.
I'm also ordering the following conditions. You're to have no contact with Victor Streicher or Quandis Jazz Knight so long as this case is pending. You will not return to 3015 West 13 Mile Road in Royal Oak for any reason. You will personally appear for any and all future court proceedings. You will not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You will immediately notify the court in writing of any change to your address or telephone number.
You supposed to be arresting real people with real criminals. I ain't did shit, and I ain't got
Mr. Knight, stop talking.
You can give me a fucking personal, man. You over here doing this shit. I'm supposed to talk for myself.
Mr. Knight,
Mr. Knight, Mr. Knight, based on this, you're not doing any favors.
Don't put me in your court. I'm gonna throw piss on you, bro. Don't put me in your fucking court.
Your Honor, are you done with him? Can we put
Yeah, but I'm done. He ain't talk about shit.
Yeah, I think I'm done with them. Good luck to you, Mr. Knight.
You fucking dirtball scrub. They gonna throw piss on you. I see you in the fucking courtroom. I swear, piss and shit. You better not fucking put me in no fucking courtroom. You fucking scrub. The fuck? fucking misdemeanors. Come on, I'm not thinking you're not gonna get no perfect and then you'll be doing that. So what's wrong?
All right.